going on, Hy-Vee shoppers? It's Dietitian Ryan here, one of your Hy-Vee Twin Cities registered dietitians, back in my kitchen today, and we are talking eye health. 2020 is going to be the year of healthy vision, right? 2020 vision. So a lot of us think when it comes to eye health, carrots, right? And there's definitely some truth to that. It has to do with the vitamin A we find in carrots, and also our orange, yellow, red produce, so like your squash, even things like pumpkin and bell peppers and sweet potatoes, all great sources of vitamin A, so very important for eye health. But there are other nutrients that help support eye health. Two big ones, lutein and zeaxanthin. These are a pair of antioxidants that help support the macula, and they've been shown to help reduce your risk for age-related macular degeneration. So these types of antioxidants just help support your vision as we age. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in dark leafy greens, also like your broccoli and asparagus and bell peppers. So my last key nutrient for eye health is omega-3 fats. Omega-3 fats are an essential fat. They're really important for brain health and they're anti-inflammatory. But when it comes to eye health, omega-3s are actually part of the retina, and they play a big role in keeping our eyes moist and tear formation. So as if we needed another reason to incorporate omega-3s in our diet, we're looking for about a gram or a gram and a half per day. And omega-3s are found in our fatty fish, so our salmon or our sardines, but also our flaxseed and our chia seeds. And when it comes to omega-3s, the more the better. So like I said, about a gram or a gram and a half a day, but you can absolutely go over that. Good anti-inflammatory fats, so you can't go wrong with omega-3s. So we're talking all about eye health in our Seasons magazine this month. If you turn it to page 105 here, we got a nice spread on eye health nutrition. And we've also got on page 107 here 5 really easy recipes for eye health that's going to be just full of nutrient density. And I'm going to show you guys today how to make salmon and broccoli that's going to be loaded with omega-3 fats, lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A from all those dark leafy greens in the broccoli. We're going to throw some bell peppers in there. Super easy recipe that you could do in the oven, and I'm going to show you how to do it in the air fryer to make it even easier. Absolutely love the air fryer. So let's take a look at the recipe for salmon and broccoli.